Alright, we're going to do a quick flight, test flight of the Bugs 6. And I've flown this a few times, but we're going to get it up in the air so you can see it and post this on Amazon. Just a quick review. Turn on the controller, pressing down the red button, power switch up, plug in the battery on the Bug. And it will bind, and we're going to calibrate it real quick. Okay, lights go out. All right, always make sure you have your throttle down, and gonna hit this button to turn on the motors, and let's take her up. Okay, it's in the first speed right now. This does have 2 speeds, but we'll take it up for a quick flight, see what she can do. This does have pretty brilliant LEDs on it. You can see the red LEDs on the back. And we'll get up and scoot. Take it out and punch it up a little bit for you. It is gone. Does really tight flips. These brushless motor drones are just crazy. They have the most beautiful sound to them. I was hoping to get out into a little bit bigger park today, but ran out of time. Here you can get kind of a good look at it. She's just cute. I love these Bugs, the MJX series. Huh, you like me too? Not really, okay. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick flight on it. It does have 2 speeds. That's the second speed. You can see that's pretty intense on the pitch. Put it back in the first speed. Keep her from getting out of my hands. I'm going to bring it back in for a landing. I just wanted to give you all a quick flight so you could see it. Like I said, it's really beautiful. That's the tail lights you can see again. Let's see if I can control landing here. Would be nice. There we go. I hope you liked it. That was the Bug 6, and you just hit the button to lock the motors, and there we are. There you have it. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed that. This is well worth the money for it. It's a lot of fun.